back to my channel. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this Carnival inspired beads. I'm going to be playing mask this year for the first time ever. You guys don't even understand. I'm literally so freaking excited. I feel like this is all me and my friends have been talking about for the past month and a half. I'm going to be playing with Carnival Nations in the section Imagine. I'm just going to throw up a little picture of how the costume looks. It's like a deep magenta, almost maroon type of color, and it has accents of yellow, red, silver, gold. So if you want to see how I achieved this sweatproof makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyelids using the Nars Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Biscuit. This step is essential for this look since it will prevent your shadows from creasing and make the colors appear more vibrant on the eye. After blending out the concealer with a Real Technique sponge, I'm going to set my eye using the Airspun powder to ensure that the shadows stay in place the entire parade. Just so that my eyeshadow comes out more precise and angled, I'm going to apply tape to the outer corners of my eye. Moving on to eyeshadow, I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's Warm Obsession palette and start off with the center shade from the top row as my transition color. Next, I'm taking this fiery red shade and with an e.l.f. blending brush, I'm going to apply the color all over the crease and outer V and windshield in circular motions. Even though this step is time consuming, the key is blending. This way you'll ensure a nice gradient effect on your eye. Now I'm using this mini MAC pigment in Copper Sparkle and Too Faced Shadow Insurance to apply the glitter on my lid. If you are looking for more intensity, pack the pigment on instead of swiping it like I did in this clip. For more drama, I'm going to be using the dark brown on a Morphe M433 brush and apply the shade along the outer V of my eyes.
Guys, I already know my lashes look absolutely insane. Don't judge me. I'm getting a fill next week, but in the meantime, I'm going to be taking these lashes from the Mayne boutique in the style Boss Lady. If you saw my last video, you know that I am obsessed with the YSL Blur Primer, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply it all over my face. Lately, under my eyes have been so dark, so I'm going to color correct using MAC's Prep and Prime Highlighting Stick. I love this formula because it's lightweight compared to other brands, but it's still heavy duty enough to cancel out any signs of darkness. So I saw Jackie Aina do this in one of her makeup tutorials, and honestly, setting my primer has changed my life. This step is perfect for Carnival because it creates a flawless canvas for your foundation and helps with controlling the oils that you produce throughout the day. For foundation, I'm going to be using Nars' Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in Moorea, and for extra glow, I'll be mixing in the Josie Maran Argan Moonstone Drops. Next, I'm going to take my damp Real Technique sponge and spray it with my Glam Glow Setting Spray. This step is crucial in preventing your base from sliding and helping it last from morning to night. To highlight, I'm going to be taking the Born This Way concealer in Warm Sand. This product is hands down my new favorite concealer, and it's perfect for this look because it's super high coverage, blendable, and most importantly, hydrating. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it underneath the eye, along the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and blend everything out again using my Real Technique sponge. Personally, I'm not a big fan of matte looks, so I typically avoid setting my face, but for today, I'll be using a small amount of the Cover FX setting powder in medium underneath the eye. I prefer this powder over the Laura Mercier because it adds warmth to my face instead of ashiness, and on top of that, it creates a flawless blur and prevents your makeup from transferring. Since liquid and heat do not mix, I'm going to skip cream contouring for today and go straight into bronzing. I'm taking the Absolute Pro Bronzer in medium and applying it to my hairline, temples, jawline, and cheeks. On the apples of my cheeks, I'm taking the Sephora Collection blush brush and using MAC's Extra Dimension blush in the shade Hard to Get. This glow kit is ancient, but it's still one of my favorites from ABH. I'm gonna spray my Morphe 310 brush with my Glam Glow setting spray and highlight all the high points of my face. Now I'm just taking these little jewels. I picked them up from Marshall's for I think less than $5, and I'm gonna be applying them using eyelash glue and tweezers. So I decided to do two different lip looks because honestly I couldn't decide. So for the first one, I'm gonna do my go-to nude lip, which is mixing DERRIÈRE by MAC, Bear With Me by NYX, and Camila by Buxom. Now to set my face, I'm gonna be using MAC's Fix Plus in Gold Light. I felt like that nude look was a little bit more on the safe side, so if you were looking for a little bit more of a bold look, I'm going to be using Nars's Velvet Matte Lipstick Pencil in the shade Endangered Red.
So guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe to my page. If you played mask before, let me know. If there's somewhere where you think I should play mask next, let me know as well. I feel like it's about to be the start of something, you know? I haven't even played yet and I'm already thinking about where can I go next. But yeah, I'm probably gonna film a vlog just to document all my adventures for the weekend. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.